This is an episode of Marvel vs. Capcom 3 Versus Mode. What we're going to do is winner stays on with blue, green, and purple. And one side's going to get one thing, and the other side's going to get the other team. I'm actually playing on the Capcom side, and we have blue here playing on the Marvel side for one round.
And it's going to be winner stays on, so if blue loses, for example, then I replace him by going on Marvel.
But if I lose, then he replaces me by going on Capcom.
Random.
To be completely honest, I really do not know how to use a lot of combos in this game. I just really spam buttons hoping something good happens. Then there's blue here who knows how to pull off every single thing in this game.
I bought mash though.
This video is sponsored by Scooby-Doo fruit snacks.
Rat.
I don't know how to pull that off.
That was quick.
That's simple. Oh, I know how to pull off that move now.
No!
So, Blue, you play this game more?
Yes. Yes.
I just found out. I just found out how to use this character to tell the truth, so I don't even know how I'm doing this good.
My foot hurts.
I'm too big.
That whole Scooby-Doo fruit snacks was a lie. So, yeah.
Like I just noticed,
What?
the X Factor lasts longer the less characters you have.
That is true, isn't it?
How do you use those special moves anyways?
You just push certain buttons, like I kind of like doing certain combinations using the
Yeah,
buttons.
you're using simple.
I'm actually not. I was normal afterwards.
Oh, whoa.
Perfect.
No, I'm dying. I can. Alright, Palomo.
And the winner is purple.
And it's a purple player who wins. Whoa, that's weird.
And that got very sexual fast.
So we're gonna swap out. I will
And-
replace blue. So 1 sec, guys.
We're back for another round. And it's me, Purple, who's playing as Capcom once again.
And me, green. He's playing as Marvel.
Oh, sorry guys, I gotta adjust the camera a bit because I'm in a very uncomfortable position.
Oh,
Not the freaking Hulk. Okay, I'm just gonna say one reason why I hate the Hulk. We had to erase the recording beforehand because of certain technical difficulties. And I hate the Hulk.
So that's why I hate the Hulk?
Yes.
Because he gave you a recording error?
No, because he kicked my ass.
Okay, so you still beat him.
And then he goes as MODOK and the Hulk, the two guys I hate the most in the game.
Yeah, but the thing is, MODOK's about strategy. If Justin actually pull off a... No offense, Purple, but...
Trish is
Purple, wait, what? I'm getting confused!
purple, green. Green is Marvel. Purple Capcom. Purple guy with Dante, guys with shirtless abs.
Who do you think I am, Cherno?
Oh,
And that was a meteorite. I think Green's gonna win this. Or that could happen. That's gonna cause a death of us all.
Did I just do X Factor in demon form?
You guys gonna die by so fast, and not gonna matter.
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh wow.
Yay.
Well, my second best character's dead.
Second, Trish's best.
Yes, actually.
Well, okay. Go Modok!
How do I do stuff?
Yeah, it's not so easy, is it?
Hi.